Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. Today, we're going to be unboxing the September Premium Boxycharm. Let's go ahead and get started. The theme for this month is Glam Vibes Only, and the variation that I received is number 2. Right off the bat, we're starting off with the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. This is a natural vegan body scrub that gives a vacation glowy skin with a blend of coffee and essential oils such as coconut oil and grapeseed oil, and it works great on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin, leaving behind a smooth and exfoliated skin. And truly, when you open this little bag, it smells just like coffee. It is, in my opinion, real coffee just blended in with some oils to give some nourishment to the skin. It does seem to be a little bit messy though, so I'm a little bit hesitant to use it, but I'm gonna use it regardless. I'm really excited for this. Next up, we have the Kitsch Ice Roller. This ice roller is great for an at-home facial, and it's made with high quality surgical stainless steel that can calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. And it's recommended for daily use. So what from my understanding is that you put this in the freezer and you let it cool down, and you can use it on your face, on your body, like if you're sore from like your legs from working out, or your arms, you can go ahead and use this to alleviate some of the soreness. I think it would be great to use in the mornings, kind of like a deep puffer. Sometimes we wake up with our face a little bit swollen. This I think would be great for using on those mornings. It's a really beautiful pink color, and I'm really excited to use this. Next up, we have the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. This is a toner to help smooth and refine the skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid, and is the pore control complex that targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. It comes in this beautiful glass bottle. It's just really pretty. I think it would look great in your bathroom sink or just for decoration if you don't want to use it. Of course, I am going to use it. I love toners. After cleansing my skin, I like to apply toners at night especially. And this one has the glycolic acid, which is great for your pores, and it cleans out any residue from makeup. And the bottle is really heavy, and it's a really pretty pink color. Next up, we have another skincare product. This is the Ulla Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. This is a one-step at-home facial that has AHAs and PHS that deliver skin perfecting, age-fighting result. They are great for plumping up the skin, and they also loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal newer, fresher skin underneath. This leaves less irritation and recovery time for everyone, including sensitive skin types. Ole Henriksen is one of my favorite skincare products. I love how this box is so skincare focused, and it also has makeup in it, so it's great for everybody. But I am a skincare fanatic. I love trying out new skincare, and especially when it's the bougie kind like Ole Henriksen. Speaking of bougie, let's move on to this Marc Jacobs lip gloss, an enamored high shine lip lacquer. I love this formula. It's kind of like a gel consistency. I have purchased one of these with my own money before, and it's so nice on the lips. It has a nice little minty feeling, a minty taste without being extremely painful on the lips. And this has a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into a hydrating gloss, enriched with antioxidants, super rich foods, and cell repairing phytonutrients plus vitamin A and C for unprecedented shine and unstoppable wear. This color is gorgeous. As you can see here, it has kind of like a brown base with blue and multicolored reflex on it. For the most part, you can see the blue, but it really has some silver, some green. It's kind of like that blue-green eyeshadow from MAC, but in lip gloss form. It's stunning. It's a beautiful color and I think it looks great on my skin tone as well. And the last product is from Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. This is a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette that is suitable for all ranges of skin tones, that is inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in us all. I love that. The colors are gorgeous. They are more of like the pinkies and purples. I will say though, the mattes left me wanting just a little bit more pigment. You see that pink on the left. It's just not really the most pigmented matte color, but I will say the shimmers are gorgeous. They have, some of them have like a duochrome finish and they are really creamy and it looks like they will blend really good. And that is everything that came in this box for September Premium Boxycharm. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.